Hello guys, how are you and what about you, about yourself? Radhe Radhe, all of you. You can see the time is 10:28, maybe 10:30, almost completed. So in my one mindset, I have do something new for you, and one mindset skip. But now this, I think I get result. I'm creating something new for you. Okay, so watch till end, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel. And these are my fourth and fifth video. I don't know. I have no idea. So maybe I teach you many things. I teach you like how to do blush, how to do contour, and how can do like uh, a base, overall base, and lipstick. All things I have done to on my video. You can watch and search it. Go check out my channel Glowy, and please watch that video and give me and what I say comment in my comment box. So you comment and tell me what you did learn, and if you learn something, so please like and share. Only give share. I know every person have doubt which one brush we have to do use and what can I do. Okay, I have many brushes, we have many brushes, but I don't know where are we use it. So let's start. Show you these brushes. Oh, my brushes fall out, I say drop out. I have many brushes, but I have doubt which one brush I use for eye makeup, and these brushes where I use where I don't know. Okay, these have question in your mind. So today I clear this question, which brush you have to apply, which we tell you where we should use which brush. Okay, so start. Your doubt maybe cleared. All of these brush you can see. Okay, so don't make confuse. Every man make perfect when do practice. If you do practice make man perfect. Okay, this one brush you can see. This brush, which name, please comment in comment box. Which brush name is flat brush. This is flat brush. If you create cut crease and create any line when you use this brush, okay, whenever you use this brush, when you apply cut crease on your eyes, let me use this one brush. Watch. Okay, now let's start. This brush everyone know. Okay, I know all of you know about this brush. This is spoolie brush. This is spoolie brush. You have to need like comb your eyebrow. You have to need comb your eyebrow, so you can do with it. Okay, whenever you sharp and fill your eyebrow, that time use this one. This is two-way, like both have both parts. So first you take this one. This is and create your eyes. Angular brush. This part is angular, and this part is spoolie brush. You can see. Please, doubt has been cleared. Your doubt has been cleared. So don't have doubt. Check and watch clear, and please take notebook and write there. Okay, this is spoolie and this is angular brush. So this is everyone have like favorite. My favorite brush. This is my favorite brush. It is fluffy brush, blending brush. You can say blending brush. If you have to need to blend anything, you can apply this brush and blending easily blend. This is small blending brush. We have 4 brushes: small, medium, big, and very big. So when we have small parts, then you blend. It's very easily blending. So please note down your notebook. This is spoolie brush. Sorry, this is blending brush. Don't skip. This is very important for you. Look at this is flat brush again. This flat brush, this is mini flat brush. You can apply foundation brush. You say like when you apply it very small part like eyebrows and highlighting anywhere, small part if you use, then you take this one brush. This is flat brush, very helpful for applying concealer, foundation, and anything so you who want to use anywhere whenever. So this is flat brush. I have 2 flat brush. This is small and I have big. Big when you use foundation full face, then you use big flat brush and foundation brush. This is flat brush. Oh, you don't know what is this? So please write. This is kabuki brush. You can see. This is kabuki brush. If you, now you say to me flat brush have been already when we apply foundation, so you can apply this one also from this one. I come in Hindi. No, I'm not come. Okay, so that is flat brush. You apply whenever you have to skin very flawless, then you apply with flat brush foundation. If you have open pores, any mature skin, you have like you have like that client have very mature skin and finance and have like pores, open pores skin, then you use this one brush. Okay, this one brush use with foundation. When this use, it's go in pores inside foundation. That time foundation go inside and blending very easily. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, wait. I saw another flat. See, both are foundation brush. Okay, this is kabuki, this is flat. Both are have to do foundation blending. So this one is you have to open pores skin. That time use take this brush and use foundation. Okay, if you have very flawless skin, that time you take this one brush and apply like this. Okay, after that blending. Both are have very important, everyone. So watch and see, looking everything and not done. Don't make confuse. I am here for you. Clear your confusion. So don't confuse. Okay, tell me what is this? Whose name, please? Tell me name. Who's this brush? Who is? Name, please. Give me name. This brush. You take time. So now I tell you, this is powder brush. Okay, if you want to do, it's powdery. This is powder, but small powder brush you can apply. Okay, this is angular brush. You say a little bit angular when you apply your eyebrows, that you can see. So this is angular brush and you can apply it for contour. This is contour brush. You can see the shape of brush, and here you can see the very soft here. Okay, very soft. So this is contour brush. You can like this. Okay, so we have another powder brush. This very fluffy and easily when we apply like this, you can do it. I know everyone know about that brush. So please comment which one brush this is. Name, please comment. This is highlighter brush. You can say this is fan brush. This is not fan brush. This is highlighter brush. When you apply highlighter, you can use this one brush. Okay. Liquid serum moisturizer you can apply. You take this one brush. Okay. Okay. We have like 4, 2, 3 mini blending brush, small blending brush. I have 2 and 3 brush because of we apply eyeshadow, and that time what to do? Apply shadow, and I take another color, that time it makes it. That's why we have many brush. You can apply easily. Any pick your one color, pick and apply. You take second brush and you comment in comment box. Don't judge me my English. Don't judge my English. If you want to judge, you can do and comment box, and please your wish, do subscribe or not, but share. Okay, like.